Today we're going to show you a quick fix for an increasingly common problem on your 1994 through 2004 Mustang. Unlike the previous generation, the 94 through 04 Mustang was only available in a Cooper convertible, but like the hatchback Fox bodies, these trunk lids are held up by a strut. Now this is the same trunk lid whether you have a Cooper convertible, and what happens is they're kind of hard to lift and then they don't stay up. Same kind of problem we saw with the Fox bodies. Well, thankfully Redline Tuning has a solution with their new struts, and today we're going to install them. These Redline Tuning trunk struts will be direct replacements for the factory struts on all 1994 through 2004 Mustangs. There's a couple different versions here. Now, these are going to be the Elite. This is going to be their top quality one, full stainless steel construction, and again, a direct replacement, very, very easy to install. The installation requires one tool. A small flathead screwdriver or a small pick is all you're going to need. Now, if your struts are shot like ours are, make sure you support the trunk. Even if they're not, it's a good idea because once you take the strut off, it's going to get kind of heavy for a single strut. But to remove them, you're simply going to pop these two clips off and remove the factory strut. Now, you want to do this one side at a time. It makes it a lot easier to do it that way. What you want to do is just get right behind this little metal clip here. Just pry it away and pop the strut off. And the same thing down here at the bottom. Just get underneath the metal tab, pop it off, and remove the bottom. Now, a couple quick hints when installing the new strut. You want to make sure the body is facing upward. And if they don't line up, you want to turn the bottom clockwise. If you turn it counterclockwise, this actually unthreads from the bottom. You want to make sure it's tight. You'll turn it clockwise until it lines up. I find it's easier to put the bottom on first and then do the top. Simply line it up with a stud, pop it in place. That's all there is to it. Repeat the process on the other side and your installation's finished. Thanks to our new Redline trunk struts, our trunk goes up like it's supposed to and stays up like it's supposed to. Now, this installation, anybody can do this, even a first timer. It should take you no more than about 5 minutes. You can be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.